This is a new month, and we have to reset our lives for the new month. The situation of my room is a big no. It is a big mess, and the first thing that I always do for the new month is to clean my room. The shoes are, not properly organized. The machines are not properly organized. I have to do the dusting. I have to make my bed. I have to clean everything. The sitting, the office. I have to do the mopping, the dusting. There is a lot to be done. So without any further ado, let's just jump straight into the video and get this room clean. I have to clean all of this mess today. I am going to start off by making my bed first. The bed is made. Now it's time for the dusting. I'm going to be dusting all of this mess, but first I just saw some clothes on my sittings, so I think I'm going to clean this, put this dress in the cupboard, and also those clothes in that cupboard as well. So we're going to do that first. I'm taking a break. Ammi ne mujhe bhi bula liya. She said कि आके खाना खा लो. So I'm just going to go and have the lunch because मैंने कुछ भी नहीं खाया था. बहुत सुबह खाया था मैंने. I had fried egg, yes, and tea. Just had some pizza rice and they were delicious, and my energy is back. Get started, get moving, and clean my room. I organized the clothes. Now it's time to do the dusting. I'm going to be dusting my office table, my vanity, and the bed and the sittings. So let's get started with that as well. It is now evening time and it's currently 5:20 p.m. I am so tired and it is so hot. Literally it was cold last night because of the rain, but plus I am craving some tea. So after I clean my room, only bus floor reh gaya hai. I have completed everything. So let's get started with the floor now. Currently 6 p.m. and I mopped the floor. I couldn't show it on camera because उससे adjust करने का एक तो मेरे पास time नहीं था कैमरा को, और because बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी हो रही थी तो I thought कि मैं इसको छोड़ दूँगी, मैं इसको बता दूँगी. Also I mopped the entire apartment, not just my room. So I am feeling proud of myself. Then I just took a shower and now we will be doing some work and actually plan for the August and do the budget planners make the routine, set the goals, and we will be talking all about it in this video. Also, I was just planning this video for the next week. बहुत मुश्किल है मेरे लिए करना, because I like to like film vlogs, और मैं कोशिश करती हूँ दिन का एक रखूँ, तो फिर like the entire day activities can be shown in that. और तभी मैं अभी जब लाहौर भी गई थी तब I like made separate videos, like about separate topics. I just don't want to indulge all of that in one video, but I have so many content videos to upload, and I feel like मेरा summer ख़त्म हो जाएगा, वो videos ख़त्म नहीं होंगे, because I film every day. Like I said, being your own boss, you can either be super productive or you can be lazy and just rot in your bed the entire summer. But I am a productive person. I am super proud of myself for saying this, but ऐसा लग रहा है कि जैसे बहुत ज़्यादा काम बढ़ रहा है और बहुत ज़्यादा videos to post अभी बाकी हैं. So I'm going to be making whole week video, because ये भी मेरे bucket list में थी वाला, और content plan में थी इस तरह की video की like a week in my life, and the next week is going to be super busy, super productive. So instead of making separate day vlogs, I'm going to be doing one vlog for an entire week, ताकि I can like save 7 videos for that. So I don't know if you guys understand my mind right now, but I understand what I'm saying. Honestly, it's just going to be a one video, not 7 different videos for 7 days. तो ताकि उस time period में मेरी कुछ videos जा सकें, और that is actually the goal for the next week. So now let's just talk about some mental and personal growth for this month. I hope you guys can hear me. मैं set तो कर दूँगी वैसे edit से voice, मगर फिर भी the fan is on and it's super hot. I can't speak without the fan open, and it's going to be a long conversation between us. So let's just finally talk about our mental and personal growth for this new month. I do nothing but care for you all. Genuinely, for each and every single person watching, I want the best for you all. So many people, including myself in the previous years, struggled to say and still struggle to say no to other people, and are the biggest people pleasers you guys can ever meet. I was never a people pleaser, but I struggled with saying no. But for the people who are people pleasers, believe me, that is not a good thing, because उस चीज़ के अंदर you go so far away that you forget that you are prioritizing others over yourself. You are not prioritizing your mental health. You are just saying yes to every single thing that comes your way. I just said no to a friend this morning. Or just like social media friends. She had this request for some other person, and we had a detailed discussion, and बहुत तमीज़ के साथ I just rejected that offer. It wasn't actually good for my mental health, and it wasn't anything wrong. And I'm sure she didn't feel anything bad, because it was a special request for somebody else. She forwarded to me. I actually said no, and after saying no, I actually felt quite relieved that I do not have to be a person जो हर वक्त हाँ बोलता है अगले को. Honestly, if it's something that you are doing for yourself, और आपकी mental health बच सकती है किसी चीज़ से, literally do that. Believe me, कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है हर सबको yes yes बोलने का, because बहुत दफ़ा पता है क्या होगा, आप जब उनसे जाएंगे ना पूछने के लिए कि can you do this, can you do that, they would straight up reject you. Literally not even think twice. They would say no, I'm sorry, we can't do that. मगर when it comes to you and they are asking you for something, you're just yes. Why? Because you are a people pleaser. And why you have to stop this habit? Because ये आपकी mental health को ख़राब करता है. Obviously आप वो चीज़ करने लग जाते हो जो आपके लिए ठीक नहीं होता, और आपका उसमें कोई फ़ायदा नहीं हो रहा होता. And I love my friends, and I consider them family, and I prioritize my friends so much. मगर जिधर एक like you have to set some boundaries, इससे आप ही को फ़ायदा होगा. And believe me, nobody would think twice कि ये एक बुरा इंसान है, इसने अभी boundary set की है. और अगर वो समझ भी रहे हैं तो उन्हें समझ लेते हैं, because आपकी at the end of the day आपकी mental health and आपकी body आपके साथ होगी. रात को जब आप सो रहे होंगे, you should not have any regrets before you go to bed. Learn to say no. Start saying no. There is also a book, ways to say no, or learn to say no. But believe me, बहुत helpful है. You have to reject, otherwise if you are in this field, जिस फील्ड में मैं हूँ, तो कोई भी ब्रांड आराम से, if they figure it out that you are a people pleaser and you cannot say no, they would take advantage of you 110%. So you have to start saying no, practice saying no, because there is nothing wrong with saying no, and you know, setting your boundaries, setting your limitations. It will only be a good sign for you in the future and for your present self अगर आप ना बोलना सीख लें. The topic number 2 is deep breaths. Breathing intentionally is so good for you, and intentionally breathing can be very helpful for your body as well. You know, just you know, have deep breaths, that will be good. Or honestly, if you're a person who suffers from anxiety, just start, you know, having breathing sessions, because it really helps. और जब आप, you know, when you're doing that, आपके दिमाग में और कोई चीज़ नहीं आ रही होगी, so that it really helps as well. Number 3 is start taking screen breaks. This is a remedy I have tried since 2024. It's the 7th, it's the 8th month actually. Start taking screen breaks. सुबह उठ के avoid the screen, रात को सोने से पहले avoid the screen. If you are with your family, put your phones away. जितना मौका मिल सके आपको अपने phones और अपनी screens को side पे रखने का, just do that. It will be super helpful. Believe me, screen breaks बहुत ज़रूरी हैं. एक तो वो आपके mental health के लिए बहुत best होते हैं. Second of all, good for your eyesight. Of course, जितना कम आप screen use करोगे उतना, you know, you have the better chance of, you know, your eyesight, you know, lasting for a very long time. If you guys see me, believe me, my eyesight is not well. मैंने बहुत ख़राब कर लिया अपनी आई साइट. इट्स जस्ट दैट वीडियोज़ में बहुत दफ़ा मैंने उतारी भी होती हैं ग्लासेस, मगर बिलीव मी, you have to save your eyesight. So have some screen break. It is good for your eyes as well as your brain and your mental health. Fourth is self-love. The most important, self-love. Take care of your body, take care of your eyes, take care of your, you know, hands, your mind, most importantly, your mind. If your mind is positive, if you feel good, if your heart is positive, if you feel good within, believe me, you will glow on the outer as well. And I say this because it is a fact. Believe me, self-love is so important. Take yourself out on, you know, solo dates. You do not have to have friends कि आज मेरे साथ कोई दोस्त बाहर नहीं जाना चाह रहा, आज मैं सुबह उठी हूँ तो मेरे साथ मेरा दोस्त बाहर नहीं जाना चाह रहा. I feel good, I want to enjoy the rain, I want to go out for a walk, I want to have a picnic. Just go by yourself. What are you waiting for? Like, you do not need anybody else to go with you, to tag along with you. Believe me, once you start enjoying your own company, that would be the best feeling in this world. You would never feel lonely, even if you are on, you know, like an 18-hour, you know, flight or something. I don't know if that even matched, but you get the point. This self-love, write about yourself, write about your future self, what you want to be in the future. Practice self-love. It is really important because इस तरह से आपका mind बहुत सुकून में रहता है. Trust me, these are not just some things that I'm, you know, seeing up online and, you know, telling that to you. These are some things that I have personally experienced and I am telling those to you. Last is how you can keep your mind and your body positive and on rotate and, you know, just, you know, genuine or healthy, is to go on walks. I try going on walks. As you know, it's my summer break as well and I really love walking now. बहुत अच्छी feeling आती है, you know, like you burn some calories, you feel good, और you know, आपका दिन में एक positive activity होनी चाहिए, I feel like. And you know what you can do is, when you go on walks, you can listen to podcasts. I do that as well instead of listening to songs. If you like listening to songs, nobody's stopping you, that's good as well. But try to, you know, listen to good songs, positive songs, not, you know, like sad and depressing Bollywood ke songs. If you listen to podcasts, believe me, उसमें वो जो बोल रहे होंगे ना, when you're walking and nobody is with you, you're just walking by yourself, you would be at the top of the world listening to the podcast. अगर आप एक अच्छे, you know, बोलने वाले बंदे को सुन रहे हो, not just, you know, जो आपको कुछ, literally there are some people who, you know, have such a negative energy. वो जो बात कर रहे होते, all they do is do this, do this, do this, मगर उनकी बात में कुछ नहीं लग रहा होता कि, you know, they actually want something good for you. I'm so sorry I have to say this, but there are so many people who have such a bad negative energy that you just cannot stand them. मगर कुछ लोगों ने उनको अपना फेवरेट बनाया हुआ होता है, उन्हीं को सुन रहे होते हैं, ये नहीं देख रहे होते कि, you know, उनकी लाइफ किस तरह डाउन द ड्रेन जा रही है. उनके इसी तरह के एटीट्यूड की वजह से. So listen to good people, listen to positive people. That is also something that I have personally experienced, and then you will love your walks as well. So just get a 15 minutes walk, 30 minutes. You can get 1 hour, 2 hour, as much as you like. Start slow, start by little, 15 minutes, then 30 minutes, then 1 hour. So those were some of my tips to have a healthy mind and body. It's 6:40 p.m. and I want to write down goals for the month. I always do this at the start of every month, so I'm just going to write down some goals now. I just wrote down some main goals for the month because every week के मैं अलग बनाती हूँ and every day के मैं अलग बनाती हूँ. So I just wrote down the main big goals for this month. The main ones that I have, I will read them down. I have uploaded 15 YouTube videos, which is a big task, I suppose. Create at least 4 makeup looks, which includes the Halloween content as well. Creative makeup looks, वरना उसके अलावा तो जो normal होते हैं, everyday वाले जो होते हैं, वो तो I am doing all the time. Also, I wrote down some personal tasks. Let's hope for the best. So I do gratitude a lot. मैं gratitude journal में बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें लिखती हूँ. And you should always be grateful for the things that you already have. So I'm going to practice some gratitude right now, and I'm going to do one journal page for the gratitude of me. I have already created some Halloween looks. Since October is nearing, I have to make some Halloween looks. So now I'm just going to go and plan out some Halloween content. And now I have to make a vision board. I really want to make a vision board and put it as my wallpaper for my lock screen or my laptop. So that is exactly what I'm going to do. I am going to be making a vision board for August, and I'm going to put whatever I want in that vision board, और फिर मैं उसको अपने इस पे लगा लूँगी फिर लैपटॉप की. So let's make that after I make some tea. Let's just go and make some tea now. So much fun making the vision board. मैंने उसमें बहुत टाइम लगाया. It's currently 9:30 p.m. मैं आराम से उसको बनाया. I really like making vision boards, for everything, for my looks beforehand, for the month. Okay, so emergency cat call आ गई थी. Anyways, what I was saying is हर चीज़ से पहले मैं vision boards बनाती हूँ. Like how I plan the look, उसके लिए vision boards बनाती हूँ. For the month, for the year, for the week sometimes. जब मेरा दिल करता है, especially month और year का बनाना मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. Because like then you have a set, like एक picture आपके सामने of what you have to do in the entire year or the month. Or I had so much fun doing that. Now I'm just going to go and do some work on my computer, which includes planning all the videos that goes up this month. So I'm going to go and do that. Also, I love doing this, planning my videos ahead कि उनकी date set करना कि कब डालनी है. So that also motivates me to just get out of the comfort zone and edit that video and upload that video on a certain date. So I'm going to do exactly that right now. Another last update, you guys. I was just working on my computer and then I watched an episode of a Thai drama that I'm watching these days. उसके बाद I got a little hungry because I didn't have dinner. I am heating my food, that pizza rice again for my dinner. Also, I made some dessert for myself. I made some mango dessert, which I love. You guys know, if you guys know, I love mango dessert. So I make myself a mango delight all the time. So I just made that for myself. And yeah, I'm just going to stop working now and watch some Netflix, some K-dramas and Thai drama का जो भी mixture होगा. Maybe I'll watch Gossip Girl, I don't know. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you learned something, or I would recommend and suggest you guys to just get up and get ready for this beautiful month ahead. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.